Welcome to HotWheelz for you.
Hi, and welcome to HotWheelz for you. Hey, Mac.
HotWheelz Super 6-Lane Raceway.
That's right. This is the HotWheelz Super 6-Lane Raceway, just like the one we use to film our videos here at HotWheelz for you. The HotWheelz Super 6-Lane Raceway is 8 feet long and can be extended to any length by adding HotWheelz track pieces. The starting gate features checkered flags and a single start lever that releases 6 cars simultaneously for the ultimate Hot Wheels racing experience. The set also features an animated lights and sounds finish gate.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane!
The winner is announced and the crowd roars.
Winner, lane 5!
It also comes with 6 cars, so it is ready to race right out of the box. The HotWheelz Super 6-Lane Raceway can be extended to any length by adding HotWheelz track pieces. After extending the track to the desired length with HotWheelz standard track pieces, you will need to modify the finish gate with extenders that can be purchased online. These extenders raise the height of the gate so that it can be placed anywhere along the extended part of the track. One of the great things about the Super 6-Lane Raceway is that you can race all 6 or as few cars as you like in order to create various matchups.
Ready, go.
Stay tuned for upcoming Hot Wheels races on the Super 6-Lane Raceway here at HotWheelz for you.